Hello, Chef. Guess what I'm making today? Yeah, you got it. Follow along if you like. It's just going to be a real quick video. For the full recipe, check that spot right down there in the description, and you'll get a link to the full recipe. Okay, step one. You cut the onions, the bottom and the top. Cut them in half, working very quickly. Remove the peel like this. And the peel gets reserved for stock. I'll be making some beef stock and some chicken stock later. The peel goes right there. Put it in the freezer or refrigerator. Julienne onion. You can go slow like this if you like. Okay, very consistent, nice slices. Beautiful. Or you can go rather quickly. Like this. Keep your fingers rolled back. Beautiful. 2 very large onions will give me approximately 6 bowls of soup. Cook the onions until they're brown. Add to a sauce pot. And to this, I'm adding 1 tablespoon parsley, 1 teaspoon thyme, and a bay leaf. Add some wine. Two quarts or more of chicken stock. Perfect. Cutting the croutons from the French bread. Okay, at this point the onion soup goes into the bowl. The finished French onion au gratin, and at this point we can use the small brulee torch to brown them slightly, a little bit more. Link is right there. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. You get maximum protection and you still have a full range of movement with your hand and the fingers, so it's pretty cool. And this is made in the USA. I like that. Great quality.